Well, this week we have accomplished the demolition of all the old nosing, all the cap that was around the pool, and then, well, we have grounded and cleaned to have it ready for the new piece that is gonna go. Also, we had made the removal of the old drain so we can replace it for a 2-inch drain. We have put some concrete in some areas that there were flower beds before. Here's another section. Here's where our drain is gonna go. And of course, we have for next week that other big flower bed, which is going to get concrete next week for preparing for tile. That's the ceramic tile that we're going to be installing. As I'm gonna go right now, we're going to see the old drain that was here. This is the old drain, and well, you can see it's all clogged, so it didn't work. So this house got flooded due to the drain being clogged with dirt. So we're replacing it with a 2-inch drain that is not just that, but it has a removable cover. This cover, you can snap it and then just put it back again for cleaning purposes. So we believe that this drain will do a better job than the former one, and so that will be something that we're going to be working on next week. This is the report for week 1 on the swimming pool porcelain tile project. The porcelain tile that we're going to be installing is it's a 3/4 of an inch. Here is the piece. This is the bull nose that we have already made. That is going to go